Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this super easy and delicious bell pepper soup. So for this soup, I used smoked paprika powder, coconut oil, onions, garlic, tomato, vegetable stock, and bell peppers. Start with prepping and cutting the ingredients. Put all the vegetables in an oven dish and drizzle a little bit of coconut oil on the vegetables. Mix it and make sure that the oil covers all the veggies, and bake it in a preheated oven of 200 Celsius for about 30 minutes. You can use a hand mixer to blend it, but I will be blending this in my blender. Add vegetable stock and paprika powder and blend it. And there you have it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.